One day then.
19.8 saka din.
Kiss lang po.
20C and 20B po. Magkatabi naman yan. So yung number po nakikita sa left side. Kaliwa. Yung mga gamit po taas na lang po. Salamat.
Dear guests, this is AirAsia Flight B2 6072 Bacolod. Please be informed that rows 1 to 5, 12, and 14 are reserved for hot seat guests only. Kindly be seated according to the seat numbers reflected on your boarding pass.
Excuse me.
Please only research and authorize changing
Diretso,
of
be.
seat due to aircraft weight and balance restrictions
Nandun pa yan.
and sensitivities and for contact
Nandun pa yan
tracing.
sa unahan.
Your large carry baggage, such as trolley bags, must be placed in the overhead compartment, and your small carry items, such as laptop cases and small handbags, are to be placed under the seat in front of you. Thanks for cooperation.
Oh my God. Hindi tayo kasya. Excuse me. Sanahan pa ba? Sanahan pa tayo.
Dear guests, once again, we are here to ensure your safety and comfort during the flight. We kindly ask that you assist us by observing high standards of personal hygiene. Face mask, suot ang iyong mga face mask, at ugaling maghugas o mag-sanitize ng kamay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon. For safety reasons, electronic devices or batteries, which are subject to formal product recall, are prohibited from being checked or the cabin baggage in all areas.
Yung isa.
Thank you.